and welcome to another episode of Stories from Iceland. I will be making a short video of driving in windy conditions. As you can see, there is a lot of wind today. The temperatures are not too low, it's about -4 degrees, but the subjective feeling is -15 because of the wind. The wind blows at the speed of 20 meters per second with wind gusts of 25 meters per second. So on the road you can see there's a lot of ice and snow, so those are pretty treacherous conditions. Here's the snow plowing machine. Just a few tips on how to drive your vehicle in this kind of conditions. So I'm driving a four-wheel drive car with spiked tires, so this makes traveling a lot easier in these conditions. The main thing is of course to maintain speed of maintain the speed, constant speed. Have both of your hands on the steering wheel at all times, because the wind gusts, sudden wind gusts, can move your car off the road if you're not holding your steering wheel right. Also, important thing is, while you're driving on the road in these conditions, is to avoid snow piles on the road, because when you hit them at speed, this will throw you out of balance, the whole car, and you can wind up off the road. Even you can flip your car. So avoid snow banks. Try to maintain speed, constant speed, both hands on your steering wheel, and do not shift gears. Try to avoid shifting gears if you're in a manual transmission car. If you're an automatic, also try to maintain the same speed, so you wouldn't have the different sudden loss of power. So that's a really important thing to do also. Of course, you wouldn't want to be in this kind of weather without good snow tires, either good snow tires or spiked tires, snow tires, so you can stay on the road. Of course, stay if you run into a car, if you see a car in front of you, keep your distance between cars, because you have snow dust that can blind you totally. So try always to keep distance from cars, because of you can even see behind me, maybe in the rear view mirror, that there's a lot of snow dust behind me, and it's practically you practically can't see anything behind me if you're driving behind me. Also, keep your distance, because you want to have the time to react, to stop if needed, and to have safety distance between vehicles is the most important things, not only in these conditions, in all conditions. So hope you enjoyed this video, and hope I gave you a few pointers how to drive in the windy conditions. Have a safe drive, and watch for yourself and for others kilometers on the road.